Is your engine feeling sluggish, like it just does not want to go when you step on the gas? And that annoying check engine light is staring right back at you? You might be dealing with a P0028 code. This is a generic powertrain code, which means it pops up on everything from Toyotas and Hondas to Chevys and Audis. Basically, your car's computer, PCM, is telling you that the intake camshaft on bank 2 is not moving the way it should. Now, before you start pulling your hair out, let us break down what that actually means. Modern engines use variable valve type, or VVT, to adjust how the engine breathes for better power and efficiency. This system uses oil pressure to physically move the camshafts. When you see this code, the computer commanded a change, but the camshaft on bank 2 did not respond correctly. Bank 2 is the side of the engine opposite cylinder number 1, so you will need to check your manual to see which side that is for your specific car. The most common culprit? Honestly, it is often just low or dirty engine oil. Since the actuators need oil pressure to work, if you are low on oil or if it's full of sludge, the system fails. So, step 1 is always pulling that dipstick to make sure the level is right and the oil is clean. If the oil level is fine, you are looking at the control solenoid itself, which is usually right on the intake manifold side. You can test this with a digital multimeter to see if the internal resistance matches what the manufacturer specifies. Sometimes the little screens on these solenoids just get clogged with debris and need a clean. If the electrical side checks out, you might have a mechanical issue with the camshaft actuator, or even a timing chain problem. But start with the simple stuff first. Check your oil, clear the code, and see if it comes back before you start tearing the engine apart.